that can give you puffy eyes and 4 that can fix them. You've had a good night's sleep, but you still wake up in the morning with under-eye bags and wonder why? Well, apart from lack of sleep, food that you eat and savor can also be the culprit. Foods that give you puffy eyes. Canned food like chickpeas and black beans have a lot of sodium, which is used for the canning process. This can lead to many health issues, and puffy eyes are just one of them. So before cooking them, rinse them thoroughly. Tomatoes belong to the nightshade plant group that contains solanine. Solanine is known to cause inflammation and puffiness. So if you are getting puffy eyes, try removing tomatoes from your menu. If your puffy eyes vanish, you have identified the culprit. Wheat bread. If you are allergic to wheat, barley, or rye, or you are gluten intolerant, eating anything made of these things can cause bloating. In these cases, you will have to say goodbye to wheat-based products and find other alternatives. Dairy products. Lactose intolerance is more common than some might imagine. So if you're one of those whose metabolism doesn't like dairy products, steer clear of them to avoid unnecessary bloating. And remember, your beloved ice creams are dairy products too. Sugar is one of the most inflammatory foods. It causes inflammation all over the body, but around the eyes it's most visible because the skin there is thin and prone to swelling. Also, limiting sugar or avoiding it has many other health benefits. Hot peppers. Like tomatoes, chili peppers are also from the nightshade family. But apart from solanine, they also contain a compound called capsaicin, which can cause tissues to get burned and inflamed. This inflammation can easily occur around your eyes. Now let's talk about the foods that prevent puffy eyes. Parsley helps the kidneys in flushing out excess fluids from the body. So if you are regularly getting puffy eyes in the morning, try to include this in your meal. Oats. If eye bags are a regular problem for you, start eating oatmeal for breakfast. One reason for puffy eyes can be constipation. Oats are rich in fiber and help ease bowel movements, thereby reducing puffiness. Avocado. Rather than eating them, avocados can help remove eye puffiness by applying them externally. Cut slices of the fruit, place them over your eyes, and leave them there for about 10 minutes. Avocados are also helpful in removing dark circles. Cucumber. Putting chilled cucumber slices over your eyes is a great way to refresh your tired eyes and remove eye bags. Leave the slices there for about 15 minutes, and voila, your eye bags should have disappeared and your eyes will feel a lot fresher.